Hello everyone. You can express yourself in fun and creative ways with AR Emoji that looks just like you. You can capture photos and videos with AR Emoji feature. So with this video, we will learn how to create your own emoji in Samsung Galaxy A9. To begin, simply tap on the camera icon on the home screen. Swipe the screen and tap on AR Emoji available at the top of the screen. With this, you can create your own avatar. Tap on Create My Emoji. Now align your face on the screen and tap on the button to take a photo. Select My Emoji's gender and tap on Next. Here you can customize your emoji the way you want. Among other modifications, you will be able to choose between two different face styles. Tap on any one to select. Adjust your skin color tone using this slider. Tap on this option to choose hairstyle and hair color of your choice. You can also add glasses to your emoji from the provided option by tapping on glass icon. Simultaneously, you can also select an outfit for your emoji using this option given below. After finishing the customization, tap on Save. Tap on OK. After you are finished, it will create various new emojis which will be saved in the gallery. To check, let's move there. And as you can see, we have successfully created our emoji and it is also added in the list on the camera app. Now you can tap on it to apply, and to remove it, tap on Remove My Emoji. So this is how you can create emoji in Samsung Galaxy A9. Hope this video was of great help. Thank you for watching.